Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri, and today I'm going to show you the St. Catharines G2 route. So this is the drive test center of St. Catharines. It looks like a small drive test center. You can tell from the parking lot here, it's not busy. Let me show you the aerial view. This is the how the plaza looks. So, when you come for the test, you'd be parking somewhere here. Make sure you park facing forward so that it's easier for you to come out. So when you come out, you're going to come out here and you're going to make a right on Bunting Rd. So this is where you'd be making the right. So you creep up a little bit, check for traffic on the left, and then you make a safe right turn here. And I did not see any speed sign here, so you get up to 50 on this road, on Bunting Rd. So Bunting Rd is a two-lane road, so you can expect from the examiner to ask you to switch lanes to the left or right. So after driving for a bit on Bunting Rd, you'll be making a left turn on Welland Avenue. So this is where you enter the left turn lane from.
Hey, if you're new to this channel, then make sure you check out other videos in the video section of this channel. And also check out the playlists for different types of videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And you make a left turn at these lights. Now again, when you're waiting to make a left turn, you want to know how many lanes there are so that you know what to expect, right? So if there's only one lane here and it's a green light, you must first yield to the person who's trying to make a right turn here. So always look for how many lanes and if there's a speed sign posted anywhere here. So know everything in advance. So from what I can see, here's only one lane here. Now, if this guy is making a right turn in front of me, or there are more cars making a right turn, I will first yield to them before I go make the left turn. So you make a left turn here. Now, I don't see a speed sign here, so I'm going to assume 50. So here I can see there's a bike lane, so you will have to share the road with bikers here. So if there are bikers, make sure you go slow around them when you're going. You won't have to go around them exactly, but what I mean to say is that when you're going beside them, slow down a little bit, right? Because you don't know what to expect from pedestrians or cyclists, so it's always good to be cautious of their maneuvers. So Welland Avenue looks like a quiet road, one-lane road, so you won't have to worry about anything except for keeping at the speed limit. So, just look at the rear view mirror sometimes in between and also keep an eye on the speedometer. So from here at this stop sign, you're going to be making a left turn onto Cushman Rd. So it's an always stop sign, so make sure you know when to go. So yield to the cars that come before you, and then you make a safe left turn here onto Cushman Rd. Again, soon after you turn, you're going to come across this stop sign that says 50 kilometers per hour. So you drive at 50 here. Now on Cushman Rd, I see a school zone sign approaching here. So, you got to be careful. So you will have to drop to 40 when you hit the school zone sign. So here it is, the school zone sign. So from here, you drive at 40 kilometers per hour. And you know what? Right at this sign, you're going to have to make a left turn here onto Rendale Avenue. Again, the sign here says no sidewalks, watch for children. So there's no sidewalks, so you can expect pedestrians or kids to walk on the road, so you'll have to be very careful when driving here. Now here, anywhere here, they could ask you to do a parallel parking, or they could take you to any street inside here and ask you to do an uphill, downhill parking followed by a three-point turn. Now, if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you click here to watch the hill parking and three-point turn video. Now, after driving for a bit on Rendale Avenue, you come across the stop sign, which is for Dorchester and Rendale Avenue. So you're going to make a right turn here. It's a two-way stop sign, so you must yield to the cars coming from the left-hand side, and you make a right turn here. Now, right soon after you make the right turn, you can expect some cars to be parked here. It's a residential street, so make sure you don't turn too fast. because then you're increasing the likelihood of hitting this car that's parked here. Well, ideally, they shouldn't be parking here because it's right in front of the intersection. But that's how the house is placed, right? So they can't do much about it. Now here, as I can see, a lot of cars on the street, so expect parallel parking. So it looks like parallel parking is something you can't escape on this route. So and again, the drive test center there is a very small one. So most likely they will not ask you to do a reverse parking because that can lead to a congestion in the plaza. So yeah, parallel parking is what they will ask you to do on this route. So if you haven't watched the parallel parking video, I'm going to put the link here. Make sure you watch it. It's a very popular video and has helped a lot of people. So I'm sure it's going to help you also. So again, after driving for a bit on Dorchester Boulevard, you're going to make a left turn at this stop sign here, which is for Carlton Street. So you make a left here on Carlton Street. Again, right at the intersection, there's a school zone sign, so you don't have to look for a speed sign, so you assume 40 kilometers per hour. And again, you will have to share the road with bikers here. Well, if you're doing your test in winter, so you will not see any bikers here, so that way it's good. So when you see this Shell gas station approaching, know that it's time for you to make a left turn. So you'll get into this lane here, into the left turn lane, and you'd be making a left turn on Bunting Rd. So the good part here is that, this intersection here has the fourth light, which is for, a left turn. So, if you see this arrow, it's going to be very smooth for you. You don't have to worry for the oncoming traffic. But if it turns yellow on you and you have to wait for the cars to pass, wait there patiently and keep looking for pedestrians. You never know, someone could start running from here, as you're about to make the left turn. So while you're waiting, look on the left hand side, check your blind spot before you make that left turn, and know what speed limit to expect here. So I see a school zone sign here, so know that it's 40 kilometers per hour here, and there's only one lane here. So that's what you should do. When you're driving, you should be prepared ahead of time. So you drive at 40 on Bunting Rd, so they don't see it. The speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour, but they have posted a lot of school zone signs here. So keep driving at 40 kilometers per hour until you see another sign. Now, we're way past the school zone sign here, so if you, after driving for, 500 meters after the school zone sign, you can get up to the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. And you know what? Do not hesitate to ask the examiner if that's okay to do so, because you can tell them that I don't see a speed sign here, and I also do not see another school zone sign here. So is that okay if I drive at 50 kilometers per hour, or do you still want me to drive at 40? That way they will know that what speed limit you should be driving at. And most of the times, 90% of the times, the examiners will tell you what speed to drive at. There's only 10% of the examiners who are very strict, and they would say, you know what, I don't know. So you can't do anything about that, but it doesn't hurt to try. So here you are, almost back at the drive test center. And at this plaza here, at the Canadian Tire sign, know that you have to turn right. You go into the plaza here, and they'll ask you to park anywhere here. So, that's the end of the drive test center. So most likely you're going to do a forward parking here. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, my friend, do not forget to give me a like. And if there's anything that you would like me to change in the video, maybe the route has changed or the speed sign has changed, let me know through the comment section, and I will try to make those amendments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again with another video.